dx. Now we have one identity, sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equals to pi by 2. Use this identity here. Angle is same, square root of x, square root of x. Integral of sin inverse square root of x. Instead of cos inverse x, we write pi by 2 minus sin inverse square root of x. And in the denominator, sin inverse square root of x plus cos inverse square root of x is equals to pi by 2. 2 by pi minus minus plus, so 2 sin inverse square root of x minus pi by 2. 4 by pi sin inverse square root of x minus 2 by pi into pi by 2 integral of 1 dx. Take this as I1, 4 by pi, integral of 1 is x. This equation as 1. Now we will solve this integral sin inverse x. Sin inverse square root of x. Put this as t. Sin inverse square root of x as t. Square root of x is sin t. Squaring both sides, sin square t. Now differentiate 2 sin t cos t dt. 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x. Sin 2 t dt. Now algebraic and trigonometric. Take algebraic as first and trigonometric as second function. First as it is integral of second minus integral of derivative of first integral of second. Integral of sine is minus cos 2t, so 2 in the denominator. Derivative of t is 1. Integral of sine is minus cos of 2t upon 2 dt minus t cos 2t upon 2 minus minus plus. Integral of cos is sine minus t cos 2t upon 2 plus sine 2t upon 4 plus c. We can write cos 2 x as 1 minus 2 sine square x and sine 2 as 2 sine x cos x, 2 sine t cos t, because we have t in the terms of sine inverse x. Now instead of cos t, we can write square root of 1 minus sine square t. Use the identity here. Cos square t plus sine square t is 1. Sine square t, cos square t is 1 minus sine square t, and cos t is square root of 1 minus sine square t upon 2. Now put the value of t here. What is the value of t is equals to sine inverse x minus 1 by 2. T is sine inverse square root of x. 1 minus 2 sine square t is equals to x plus sine t is equals to square root of x into square root of 1 minus sine square t is x upon 2 plus c. Both these terms are in square root, so we can multiply it. Minus 1 by 2 sine inverse square root of x into 1 minus 2x plus square root of x minus x square by 2 plus c. Put this value in equation 1, we get I as 4 by pi minus 1 minus 2x sine inverse square root of x upon 2 plus square root of x minus x square by 2 minus x plus c minus 2 pi 1 minus 2x sine inverse square root of x plus square root of x minus x square minus x plus c. 2 upon pi square root of x minus x square minus 1 minus 2x into sine inverse square root of x minus x plus c. Next one is integral of square root of x square plus 1 log of x square plus 1 minus 2 log of x upon x4 square root of x square plus 1 upon x4 log of x square plus 1 minus m log of x. We can write it as log of x power m. Log of a minus log b, that is equals to log a upon b, log of a upon b. Integral of square root of x square plus 1 upon x4 log of 1 plus 1 upon x square dx. Now put 1 upon 1 plus x square as t. Derivative of 1 is 0. X power minus 2. In derivative of this is n x n minus 1. Minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. Integral of we can write this as square root of x square plus 1 x4. If we want to write x4 in the square root, we write it as x square. We can write x4 as x square square first write x4 as x into x cube square root of x square plus 1. X square power 1 by 2 is x. So write x as 1 upon x square square root into 1 upon x cube. 1 upon x cube dx is dt upon minus 2 minus 1 by 2 1 plus 1 upon x square log of 1 plus 1 upon x square into 1 upon x cube dx. Now put the value square root of t log of t dt. Now logarithmic function as first and algebraic as second. First, integral of second, derivative of first, integral of second. Minus 1 by 2 log of t, x power n plus 1, half plus 1 is 3 by 2. Derivative of log t is 1 upon t, t power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 dt. Minus 1 by 2 log of t 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2 into 2 by 3 log t into t power 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 into 2 by 3 t 3 by 2 minus 1 3 minus 2 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 t power 3 by 2 log of t minus 1 by 3 integral of x power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Put the value of t here. What is the value of t? T is 1 upon 1 plus x square 3 by 2 log of t 1 upon 1 plus x square minus 2 by 9 t power 3 by 2 plus c. Now we will start some extra questions of integrals by part. Start with question number 1. Integral of trigonometric function as second and algebraic as first. First, integral of second minus integral of derivative of first, integral of second. Integral of cos is minus sine. Derivative of x is 1. Integral of cos is sine of x. X sine x. Integral of sine is minus cos. So x sine x plus cos of x plus c. Integral of log of x plus 1 into 1 upon x. Take log as first function and algebraic as second. First, integral of second, derivative of first, integral of second. This is along log of x plus 1. So 1 as second. 1 dx. Log of x plus 1. Integral of 1 is x. Derivative of log. Integral of 1 is x. X log of x plus 1. Add and subtract 1 in the numerator. X log of x plus 1. X plus 1 upon x plus 1. Minus minus plus 1 upon x plus 1. X log of x plus 1. Integral of 1 is x. 1 upon x is log of x. Next is integral of x cube log of x. Logarithmic as first and algebraic as second. First, integral of second. Integral of derivative of first. Integral of second. Integral of x cube is x4 upon 4. Derivative of log of x is 1 upon x. x4 log x upon 4. 1 upon 4 is constant. Integral of x cube is x4 upon 4. x4 log x upon 4 minus x4 upon 16 plus c. Integral of x ex dx, exponential as second and algebraic as first. Similar, x into e 2x dx and x square e minus x dx. minus x, derivative of first, integral of e minus x. Integral of e power minus x is e power minus x upon minus 1, derivative of minus x. Derivative of x square is 2x. Now here we will again apply this product rule, plus 2x into e minus x. First, second. Minus x square e minus x. First, integral of e minus x is e minus x upon 1. Integral of derivative of x is 1. Minus x square e minus x minus 2x e minus x minus minus plus 2 integral of e minus x minus x square e minus x minus 2x e minus x minus 2 into e minus x plus c. Next one is integral of x square